So, nasa interface po tayo ng Zoom. Gusto natin gumamit ng permanent passcode. First, we go to schedule. And so now I'm setting a schedule. Let's say for Tuesday, which is, 16, which is the start of your ACAD. And then, mag-start siya ng 8 a.m. Or kung mas maaga, since may accounting pa ho kayo, let's say 7:30 or 7:45 until 5 p.m. So, ayan, may dalawa ho dyan sa baba yung sa meeting ID. Generate automatically, tsaka personal meeting ID. Yung generate automatically, ito yung binabago-bago po ni Zoom, yung inyong passcode tsaka meeting ID. So, always use your personal meeting ID. So, ayan po. So, yung passcode, ayan, nababago po ito. Depende po sa inyo kung anong prefer nyo. You can just go with let's say, PSJLC 2024-02. Ay, kasha. 2024. Or RTC3. Sa akin po kasi ang nilagay ko is RTC3. Pero sige, for the one of the tutorial, let's say ang ilagay ko ay PSJLC 2402. Ayan. So, we're gonna save this. And don't mind this na lang po. Every time na magaganto ho siya, i-close nyo lang ho kasi ang purpose ko nito is ilalagay niya sa inyong Google Calendar. But we are in no need of that. Ayan. So, paano ko makikita if successful? You go to here. Ayan yung sa inyong meeting calendar sa Zoom. Ayan. So, ayan, meron na siya. So, another tanong is, masisave ba yun? Let's say, for example, nag-schedule ka ulit for July 17. Let's see. Paalala ko lang, PSJLC 24-02 yung last na yun, hindi ko ba? So, let's go with 17, 8 a.m. 7:30 and 5 p.m. Ayan. Again po, personal meeting again. And then, ayan, makikita nyo po yung last na nilagay ko ho na passcode, yun ho ang sinesave niya. Kaya po siya nagiging permanent passcode. So, every time nagagawa kayo ng scheduled meeting, ilalagay nyo po yung personal meeting, i-click nyo po yung personal meeting ID. Parang gagamitin nyo ho ay permanent nyo na ho or personal meeting ID nyo na and then permanent na passcode na po. So, yun lamang po. Thank you!